Hello guys, Lux Trigo here. Welcome back to the video and to the channel. Today, maggama mi og Siopao. I'm going to the supermarket right now just to buy some few stuff, including the baking powder that we're gonna use for it. So that's what this is all about, really, the video. We're just gonna make show how we do it, guys, and then yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. And see you then. Okay guys, humana. I just bought the baking powder and also some self-raising flour. Just might help, I don't know. I just bought it. So yeah, let's go. Here we go guys. Sabot ta sabay. Ano yung kinahanglan? Baking powder, and I also bought some self-raising flour with it. So guys, nami sit ang tanan na ipapalit na uniha, and this is Henry here. Hello. He's gonna be the chef. So Henry, what we're trying to do? Oh, this is our secret recipe. Raven, more work for you. You have to this. We're following this. So what are we gonna do?
What we're trying to make today is Siopao asado. So the filling's already been made by Dad, who's on a break upstairs now.
Sa feeling.
Yeah. And then yeah, we're just gonna start to make the dough.
Yeah, by the way, this is our second attempt.
Second time trying, yeah. We made it earlier this week, but it didn't go quite so well because we didn't have the baking powder. The baking powder we had back then was like expired, so we didn't bother using it. So we used yeast instead.
First attempt mo guys kay
walang tubo.
Wala yung tubo. So yeah, Mom's the one who's holding the camera right now. So, say hi, Ma.
Hi! I'm just helping out. Kaya aron makakaon kog siopao.
So first thing, flour. Self-raising flour, to be precise.
How much are you putting?
That's a secret. I ain't telling. Raven, censor if you can see the measurement.
Our work. Oh yeah, Raven's been editing my videos lately, doing a good job.
So there's that. So what's next is the baking powder.
Among lugar diri mga kababayan, wag gyud tayo siopao, so magama-gama na lang mi og bisag unsa mga Filipino food.
Nakalisod ko magama kag mga pagkaon to. Dili ning nasura kay may ubang ingredients nga dili palingan.
Yeah, dili makitaan.
Or dili makitaan. It's the same situation pod nga mo uli mi na may gamon nga pagkaon dire. Mo uli mis Pilipinas, pero laig lasa adto sa
Kay dili sad mao ang ingredients, dili pareho. Kato ning uli kanak no.
No, carbonara all-purpose cream ang gamit instead nga double cream. I don't know, not really double cream dito sa tuwa ba? Pero
Thick cream and ang double.
I don't know, it's probably called differently. So yeah, all-purpose cream, pero pag pila ng carbonara nga mura siyang or lasaw? I don't know.
So that's 10 grams. So the 10 grams we just add. Voice crack. And so there, that's 10 grams in. Next 5 grams salt.
Yeah.
Sugar. So that's everything. The dry ingredients. Now we're just gonna mix them all and add 4 cups of water. 8 half cups because it's supposed to be 4 cups. That's 1, 2. So far I've added 2 cups of water. Then after that we'll just have to mix and then we'll just eye it out. So if it looks too dry, we add another cup. So there we go.
That looks fun. I bet it's gonna be sticky.
Obviously.
Oh, it
was really sticky.
Yeah. Was mom need it first, no, nak no?
Yeah.
I got used to pizza doughs where like you could just make it right.
Even though it still looks wet, we're just gonna have to knead it to incorporate everything.
It's so... I'm not used to this. Am I supposed to be doing this?
It's Kuya kneading the dough.
Pilit kayo guys, pilit. Naglisod ko pag susugod ani. Is that alright now? Hmm? Huh?
Yeah, pushing through it. So, mom's portioning and measuring the dough for the siopao. We've only done one so far.
Nakamalisod me. Galisod yun ko.
Ikaw na, ako. Kakinsa na ako, wala.
And then, put egg. Lain pag style si Kuya, okay ha. Ang feeling kay naagibot ang langis.
Oh, I've done it. Here. I don't know. Does it look like one? I'm actually having fun with this now.
How you doing, Kuya?
I'm getting by alright.
Henry? Pau Pau?
I think I'm doing okay.
Uncle Roger will be sleep.
Uncle Roger. Shout out to Uncle Roger.
I should have reduced the amount.
I mean, it looks okay.
4 to 6 days later.
Okay guys, amo nang haunon, talawon na to. Fingers crossed. What do you think? It's actually bigger than last time. Looks fine guys, I guess.
Siopao!
Okay guys, haunon na to. Kaduhang haon. Itong taon niya. Unsa, may maramang ibang nagpalpak na itong second attempt.
Actually, no.
Is it not?
No, it's okay.
Looks like a fail to me. Oh wow. Basta kayo makaon ba? Morning guys, finished product. I don't know if it's a success or a fail. We'll give it a try and give the final verdict at the end. So yeah, let's give it a try then. Henry, how's the siopao?
How it was? Actually, it depends on who made the siopao. The one that you made.
Mine was like, when you bite into it, it's like the middle is full of dough and the filling just like on the sides for some reason. pa. Okay na?
Okay naman. Siopao man yapon lami.
Siopao na. Manig sauce na mga ipares guys, so nadadara siya kay dami ang puning sauce siya, sirat siya. Pang nga noodle soup from Vietnam. Okay guys, dinner sorted. Muna ito yung panihapon na mo. That's it. Really, that's all I wanted to show you for this vlog. Just making siopao. Sorted na mo ang panihapon. Again guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and to the video. I really appreciate it. And see you guys later. Bye!